Welcome to Lending Cards demo of the Google feature. So this is a new feature to fetch your bank statements from your Gmail account. Now, in order to apply Loan at Lending Card, basically you need to provide us some information about your personal details, business details, and the bank details. The first step in the process is basically to enter some of your basic details like name, email ID, phone number, type of business, and the 12-month sales. Post that, you are going to go through the screens of personal details, business details, and bank details. Now, when you go to the bank details, which is a crucial element of your loan application, we need to get 12-month bank statement of your business bank account. Now, once you select your business bank, you will be taken to a page where you will be selecting the method by which you can give us the 12-month bank statement. Till date, Lending Card was having the options to get bank statements via net banking or attach e-statements or attach statements method. Now, in the net banking method, basically you had to enter your bank credentials and we were able to get your bank statements. In the attached statement methods, basically you had to upload your 12-month bank statements manually, and then your loan was processed. With this new feature, which is the Gmail feature, we will be directly getting your bank statements from your Google account. Now, how this will happen right now, once you select this Gmail account, Gmail method, you will be redirected to a Google screen. There you will have to enter your Gmail ID and password in order to give us the consent to access your Gmail account for and access the emails for specific financial institutions. Now, once that is done, we will send our backend server will send us the parameters to the Google API, which consists of the financial institution or bank name that you have selected and the sender's address of the bank statements. On receiving these parameters, Google will revert back to us with the email containing your financial bank statements. Once we get that email, we will download the bank statements from that email and store in our database. Meanwhile, you will be redirected back to the Lending Card UI to continue with the rest of the application. Now we will see in the UI how this will function. So once you select the Gmail method, you will be redirected to the Google consent screen. So this is the Google consent screen where you are going to enter your Gmail ID and password. Now, once you have entered these credentials, what is happening in the background, on the basis of the bank that you had selected and the bank's email sender address, we are sent that information to Google, and Google has returned searching in your Gmail about those statements which contain bank statements and is sending to us. Once we are getting that bank statements with from your email, we are downloading it. Now, in this stage, we have downloaded the bank statement. Now, some of the bank statements are password protected and require entering of password, which is required to open that bank statement. Once you give us the password and click on the confirm button, we will basically try to parse your bank statements and upload and read the statements to process your loan application. Now, in this stage, we are basically trying to read the bank statements, which are now unblocked by the entering of password. Now, once you have entered the password and they are passed right now, we have basically received your 12-month bank statement, and once you submit the application, your application will be processed and you will be receiving a terms offer on the basis of that. So I think that's how the Gmail flow works, right from approving of consent to fetching of bank statements from the financial institutions, uploading into the Lending Card application, and with the basis of that data, your Lending Card loan application is processed. Thank you.